Don't be afraid.
Oh, that's cool. Look, it's rising.
It's not supposed to be rising. It's supposed to be sinking to the bottom.
It's up on top.
Right? Oh, no, wait.
Well, it's fresh. This is
Fresh water's less dense. Never mind.
Yeah.
Come on. You know. What are you saying? Is it slow enough?
So I was just asking if it's slow. Oh, you know it?
That's pretty cool.
No, no.
This is the reason why
I don't need bleach.
it's not bleach. It's stain remover.
It's bleach.
No, it's not. Danielle's been hearing this whole conversation.
Yep. Yep.
So
We can do it a little faster. I think we get the idea.
I like the current, you see it.
I mean, if you look by the thermometer, you see it moving around.
Ooh, it kind of looks pink, but it's not really distinct like that, you know? I wonder if we should have colored the first one that we put in.
We should
I
have done
think
it.
eventually,
Yeah.
it's
That
after.
one should be able to
I
see
think
the difference.
eventually it's gonna say.
Isn't it going to sit on top?
Yeah. So
Should we have colored the first one that we put in?
you don't have to, but you
Oh,
can.
okay.
It would be easier to see.
Might be.
Because like at first it looked like it was all coming and now it's just
It's like
So
you're
now you're
taking a
adding in
really
the fresh
slow
water and it's
pee.
pink.
yeah.
And where's the fresh water going? Top or bottom?
The
I was
top.
going,
Can you look and see it coming
when it
back?
first
Yeah,
came in,
especially
you could
around
see
thermometer.
It would like drop down and then it would all come back up.
Okay, describe. That's what I want you to describe. What happens? And once you've got that, then you can go on to the next experiment.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, you can see it coming back up.
Yeah. I think she wants it up here so you can really see the difference.
All right.